Alright, friends, subscribers, and internet strangers, what's up? Nice cloudless day here in Fort Payne, Alabama. Let's see if we can go into Walmart and find another hot item and make some quick money before we get to the house. Hey, lightning in a bottle, baby. You got to catch it as many times as you can. All right, anybody know what I've been looking for now? I've been hunting. The bearded picker's been out. We're gonna make a lot of money today because baby shark, $14.97 at Walmart, and there's two sellers on Amazon. They're currently selling for $45 a puzzle, and I picked up 7 at the first store. They don't even scan. People don't even know what they are. But don't worry. I'll put a little clip in the video because don't listen to the song because it'll drive you totally insane. But it's not always about just baby shark. Here's a whole other bag full of crap that I bought to sell. I think that was a misnomer in the last video. Everybody thought, oh my god, he did all that driving and he only picked up one thing. He only shows you one thing. He picked up a whole van full of crap. As you can see, the van is full. So hey, on to the next Walmart. Let's see how many baby sharks we can find today. But right now, by now y'all know the drill. Let me break out the phone. Let's list baby sharks, see how many we can sell before the next Walmart. All right, I'll keep you updated. All right, so it's the next day and I am sitting in my van. I sold 5 of the puzzles so far, $14.97, sold for $44.95, and I am out of state. So I'm shipping in the van, laptop, printer, inverter to run the printer, print out all my labels. I'm about to drop these off at the US Post Office. So far, plan is going great. Still have 2 more to sell. Hopefully I'll pick up a few more today, and then I'll go over all the profit numbers and talk a little bit about how I found this item at the end of this video. All right, just wanted to show you what I'm up to. It's the next day. I did spend a night in the hotel. I'll add that in the cost so that people don't freak out. All right, so I've made it home. It's the next day. I only found 7 of the puzzles, so let's do a breakdown on the profit, and then yeah, airplane going by. Sorry, I live by an airport. It's a good thing that I did not find any more of the puzzles, because one of the dangers of retail arbitrage and doing things that Amazon sells is Amazon sells a lot of items, and they came in on this puzzle at $14.99. Walmart's price is $14.97, so I was able to sell 6 out of 7 for $44.95. They are all packed up, shit, ready to go, and my great nephew was getting the other one for Christmas. So hey, that's a win-win. Make money and get a Christmas present. So let's see what I made on them. And just everything's not as rosy as it seems. You know, everything's not a monopoly. Make $4 grand in a night. Everything is not. There are risks and rewards, and getting in and getting out. The Ricky Bobby school of reselling. If you ain't first, which I was first, you better be last, or prepared to be last. And there's no way you wait on Amazon. They've got at least 999 of these things coming, and they don't even come in stock until December 20th, but they're holding the buy box. So let's run a few numbers. All right, so let's talk costs. I'm using the FBA calculator, which is available on Seller Central. If I'm looking to the side, the screen is behind you, so behind the camera, so I can read off the numbers. The item price is $44.95. The cost of seller fulfillment is $6.90. That's the shipping. Amazon takes their fees of $6.74. That leaves proceeds of $31.31. You subtract out the $14.97 cost. The profit per is $16.34, which when you multiply times 6 is $98.04. So that's the net profit after fees, after shipping, for the item. We're not including gas, food, anything, because I bought these while I was searching for something else. All those costs are, these were just, I happened to look up the item, and because I was in the Walmart, that Walmart had some, so I'm like, hey, let's see what happens if I, if I buy these, list these for sale, and then go to a few more stores and then come back to the hotel. And I sold these all. 5 of them sold the day that I bought them, as when this was filmed. And then when I woke up the next morning, there was another one sold. I had one left, and I wondered, I started looking, hey, why is this sucker not sold? It's just like the rest of them. Amazon, $14.99 they're in. So, and they have quite a few. They are back ordered, but they're holding the buy box because nobody else is close on price. So, it just shows you, if you can be quick, you can make a little bit of money. I'm glad I didn't chase these a lot. I stopped at one other Walmart and looked and could not find any more. They were actually showing an inventory, but they didn't know where they were. They were most likely they were in the back and have not been brought out yet. It's because the planogram, the thing that tells them where they put everything, they were not included yet. Just like the Monopoly games are not. The Monopoly games are never included. These Baby Shark wooden puzzles will be included. They're sold. They're going to be sold everywhere. So there's plush and there's several other things that are, but just shows you when something is really, really hot, sell it, be done with it. So if I would have had to send these in to FBA, I would have lost money on this deal. So RA is not for the faint of heart. I won on this one, but it's not to say I win every one. But they don't make as fun of videos as seeing the shark go by and all these other fun things with the video that make this one a lot of fun. The next time I do have one that I lose money on, I'll make the video just to show you guys. Hey, it's dangerous out here. Save it for professionals. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one. Roll Tide.